Good day, guys. This is the fennel seeds, and today I am going to tell you about the fennel seeds green tea. If you want to make the green tea of fennel seeds, you can take 1 teaspoon of fennel seed and put it at the 1 glass of water. Boil it up to 5 minutes, and then you can enjoy the fennel seed green tea. If you use the fennel seeds green tea in daily basis, if you have the digestion problem, it can help you to dilute your food. If you have the gastric issue, it's a quick response on the gastric issue. So you can enjoy it. It have a very tasty and a natural remedy and a natural green tea of fennel seeds.